Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make beautiful woolen flower with hair comb and beads. First, you count out 7 teeth from the comb and then wrap around the wool 8 times. As soon as you're done with that, then tie it to secure. Attach needle at the extension of the wool. Count out 3 teeth from the design and wrap wool around there 2 times. Attach 2 pearls there, then sew to secure. Sew the other end of the wool and then pull the whole design out of the comb. At this point, make the design 6 pieces and join them together. Attach a medium-sized bead at the middle to make the flower seamless and beautiful. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more. Thank you all for watching. I see you all in my next one. Bye.